Hello SPE people! In this video, we will guide you on how to join SPE as a student member. First, open your browser and navigate to the link displayed on the screen. Once you are in the page, click on Membership and then select Join SPE. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see two options, professionals and students. Since this tutorial is for student membership, select the student membership option. If you'd like to know more about the benefits of joining, you can click on Additional Benefits to explore further. If you already have an existing SPE account, simply enter your email and password, then click Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password to reset it. However, if you don't have an account yet, click on Register. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a new online account. To begin creating an account, enter your desired email address. You will then need to validate your email to proceed. Check your email inbox for a message from service@spe.org. Inside the email, click on Click Here to validate your email address and continue the registration process. Once your email is validated, you will be directed to the Profile section. Fill out each required field, which is marked with a red asterisk. Start by entering your name and your birth date. Then, choose your address type, either university or home address. And input your phone number. For communication preferences, don't forget to select either yes or no as required. Finally, create and confirm your desired password. After completing your profile, you will be prompted to sign in again. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once signed in, go to My Account Home and select Education Info. Fill in your educational details, including your degree, program type, university name, and expected graduation year. Click Save, then return to My Account Home. From the My Account Home page, click on Join SPE, then select Join Online Student. Carefully read the Student Membership Qualifications section and click Yes to proceed. Next, select the free 1-year membership option. This is sponsored by Saffron, so there will be no cost for your membership. Ensure that the country is set to Indonesia. Now, scroll down and review your profile, education, and membership section carefully. If you notice any mistakes, click Edit to make the necessary corrections. Once everything is accurate, click Save and then next. It's important to note that SPE student membership are valid from January to December. Members who join after September 1st will pay for the next year's membership and also receive the remaining months of the current year at no additional cost. For the final step, click on Pay Now to complete the application. Well done, people! You are now officially an SPE International member, and your receipt has been automatically sent to your primary email. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see ya in the next video. Goodbye, people!